I can't even talk.
So live your life. You steady chasing that paper, just live your life.
Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some cheesy cauliflower pepperoni steak. But before we get into this video, you guys, you already know, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So let's get into this video, you guys. Alright, you guys, there you have it. So we have some cheesy cauliflower pepperoni steak. I almost forgot what I made. But yeah, y'all see how that, listen, that looks good. Y'all don't mind the spots on my face. I hate those moles. Like, and I thought this one right here was actually I thought it was a sore. And so it scabbed up and then it came back and it just became dark. So I just removed it with the, I'm crazy. I just removed it with the mole remover. So yeah, and on the side of my face too, I removed, slowly getting some away. I don't, it's like those moles popped up overnight. I seen them gradually, but they just popped up overnight. But anyway, y'all, we about to see what these joints taste like. They look delicious. I already tried them anyway, so but yeah, y'all can if y'all can smell that, I'm telling y'all. When I smell garlic, y'all, I be so hungry. Garlic makes me hungry. Like the smell of garlic, I don't know if it's just me, but yeah. But we about to see what these joints taste like. Go ahead and give y'all another 360 view because I'm about to die. Yeah. Ooh. All right. Let's see how we're gonna cut these. Because I'm left-handed, so I do a lot of stuff backwards anyway. So, but yeah, y'all, we about to see what these joints taste like. I want to get some pepperonis and cheese and some of the sauce right here. Oh my God. I'm dropping my knife and everything, y'all. This right here, bomb. And this is not what I was supposed to be having for dinner tonight. I was eating leftovers, actually. But I don't know. And I'm making a mess. Sorry. This right here, y'all. A friend of mine sent a video to me. Actually, yeah, it was the same thing, a reel, where this lady had made some the cauliflower steak, the cheesy cauliflower steak. So of course I'm gonna do my own little thing to it. So yeah, this is it right here, and it's amazing. It tastes so good, so good, y'all. All right, you guys, this is what we're going to be using, and if I decide to use anything extra in there, I will have that in the description down below. But yeah, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the cauliflower chopped up. Well, not chopped up, sliced. I'm gonna go ahead and get the cauliflower sliced, and I will be right back, you guys. All right, you guys, we have the cauliflower slice. So now we also have the mixture already, which is olive oil, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, vegan parm. We also have some Italian seasoning and some oregano. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up so I can get it brushed over the cauliflower. All right, you guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and mix this up, and we're gonna brush this over the cauliflower. And I did add some crushed red peppers, you guys, because who doesn't like a little spiciness to their food? So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and brush this over the cauliflower. And once I do that, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven for about 30 minutes. The oven is already preheated on 400. Make sure that you cover the cauliflower completely. We're gonna do both sides. I wanted to kind of cut these a little bit thinner than these, but I was afraid that the cauliflower was gonna break, so I just decided to leave it how it is. And I'm sure it's still gonna come out good. I think I'm gonna have to make some more mixture because of the cauliflower being cut so thick. So let me go and do that. Let me finish this one up. Yeah, let me go ahead and do that, you guys, and I will be right back. All right, you guys, I just made some more mixture, so now I'm going to go ahead and finish off these. Now, see, this one already fell apart right here. That's what I was meaning. You have to be careful. You have to be very careful when you're cutting that cauliflower. But it's all good. And I'm afraid to turn this over because even this one right here, the one that I'm pointing at right now, it seemed like it wants. This one wants to. This one right here wants to come off, but I'm not even going to flip them over. I think it's going to be enough at the bottom of the pan to cover the bottom of it anyway, the other side. So I just want to make sure that it's covered. You guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and pop these in the oven for about 30 minutes or until they're tender, and you make sure that the edges are brown too. So yeah, y'all. All right, you guys, I just took these out the oven, so now I am gonna go ahead and add the pepperoni and the cheese on there. All right, you guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and add the cheese and the pepperonis, but I am gonna take some of this olive oil that's up here on the side. I'm gonna spoon it and put it back over the cauliflower. As you can see, this one kind of like broke up, but it's okay. Bit of cheese here, and then I'm going to add some pepperonis, and I am going to top it back off with some more cheese. Even though this one fell apart, I'm still going to put some cheese over it. So now I'm going to take some more of this olive oil and spoon it on top of there again. I just want to make sure I don't want my cauliflower steak to be dry, so that's why I'm doing this. Alright you guys, so now I'm gonna put this back in the oven and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, these are ready. So now I am gonna go ahead and plate these so we can see what these joints taste like. And yeah y'all, this is vegan cheese, so I have already told y'all several times it's hard to melt this vegan cheese. I use another method to melt the cheese, but I didn't do it this time. But yeah, we're going to see what these joints taste like. It's still gonna be good though.
Let me shake.